student, today we are going to see standard 5th maths from term 3. The unit name is numbers. In this chapter we are going to discuss about estimation value and actual value. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 2 Numbers. In this chapter we are going to study about what is estimation value and actual value. Let us imagine the situation. There are two bunches of grapes in your hand, that is bunch A and bunch B. Let us remember how many grapes will be there in bunch A. By seeing itself you can imagine how many grapes will be there. That is estimation. How many grapes will be there in bunch B? By seeing with your eyes you can guess these much grapes will be there in a bunch. That is estimation value. But the actual value, that is exact number of grapes, means what you have to do? You have to count each bunch and then you have to write the answer. This is called estimation and actual value. Let us see the second situation. The estimated bus fare for a trip from Tiruchi to Chennai is rupees 300. For example, the teacher is asking, what is the price money for 1 kg tomato? You will guess 40, 50 like that. That is called estimation value. But the actual is, after hearing from the shopkeeper. Like that, here they have given the estimated bus fare as rupees 300. But the exact bus fare is rupees 286. Can you remember? Yes, that is 286 is the correct value. That is actual value of the bus fare from Tiruchi to Chennai. Children, this is a symbol for estimated value. Yes, can you see the picture? Yes, this is called estimated value. Whenever we are seeing the estimation, we always know which is the nearest tens place. So, we have to thorough with the nearest tens place of while seeing the estimation value. Estimate 48 to the nearest tens place. Let us see the solution. Estimating 48 to the nearest tens place. They have given the question 48. Nearest tens place for 48 is, we know it is 50. Because only 2 digit will be different. If you are seen for 40, it will be 8 digits different. So, the nearest tens place for 48 is 50. So, therefore, 48 estimated 50. If you know the answer, you can write it. Next one we are going to see estimate 74 to its nearest tens place. First one we have seen about 48. Now they have given 74. So let us see which is the nearest tens place. Whether it will come 80 or 70. Let us see the digits 74. They have given question 74. It is only 4 digit is difference for 70. But if you are taken for 80, there is 6 digit is different. So which is nearest? 70 is nearest. Now we can write it as 74 is estimated to 70. That means 70 is the nearest tens place for 74. Estimate 144 to its nearest tens place. Now we have already seen how to see the nearest tens place. 144 here is the question. To its whether 140 is the nearest place or 150 is the nearest place. Yes, we have already know only 140 is the nearest tens place because only 4 digit is different for 140. But while seeing for 150, it is 6 digit will be differ. So the nearest tens place is 140. Therefore, 144 is estimated, that is nearest tens place is 140. Estimate 155 to the nearest tens place. Let us see the solution. Estimating 155, that means 5 is nearest to the tens place is 160, because if you are seen for 150 also it is 5 digit. If you are seen for 160 is also 5 digit. So what we have to do, since the unit place is 5, which is equal to 5 number, that means it is also equal to 5 digit. 160 is also equal to 5 digits. So the number have to round it up to 160. That means the estimated value is 160. Let us see the word problem. If the cost of 1 kg apple is rupees 95, that is 1 kg apple is 95, and the cost of 1 kg guava is rupees 48. Then estimate the nearest tens place. We have to find the nearest tens place for the sum. First, we have to know what is estimated and actual value. Let us see. Solution. The cost of 1 kg apple, that is the cost of 1 kg apple is rupees 95. But we have to know what is estimated value. While seeing the 95, we have to know which is the nearest tens place. We have already seen. So 100 is the nearest tens place. That is estimated value for apple. The cost of 1 kg guava is 48. We have already seen what is the nearest tens place for 48. That is 50. That we have to write it in a estimated value. So we have to add both the thing. 95 plus 48. We will get the answer 143. The estimated value is rupees 150. Let us know the difference. That means we have to subtract. Difference means we have to subtract. Estimated value minus actual value. If you minus both the thing, you will get the answer rupees 7. So, when we are doing the actual value with the estimated value, there will be many difference will be there. The answer will be rupees 7. If the cost of a notebook is rupees 42 and the cost of a pen is rupees 27, let us see the estimated value and the actual value. Here they have given the question, find the difference. Find the difference between estimated value and the actual value. Let us see the solution. The cost of the notebook is rupees 42. So 42, which is the nearest tens place? It is 40. The cost of the pen is rupees 27. That means the estimated amount that is nearest tens place for 27 is 30. Now in this what we have to do means we have to find the difference. In the first sum we have find out the total. Here subtraction is they have asked. So 42 minus 27, that is 15. In estimated amount 40 minus 30 is rupees 10. So with the help of these two things, that is rupees 15 and 10, we have to find out the difference. Difference between actual value and estimated value. Actual value is rupees 15 minus 10. So you will get the answer rupees 5. If the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 86, then the estimated cost nearest to the tens place, and we have to find out the cost of 5 meter cloth. We have already know 1 meter cloth is rupees 86. What is the actual amount? Rupees 86. The estimated nearest tens place is rupees 90. So we have to find out cloth that is for 5 meter. So what we have to do? 86 into 5. When we are multiplying 86 into 5, you will get the answer 430. When you are doing with the estimated cost, that is 90 into 5 equal to 450. That is rupees 450. So we have to know what is the exact amount, that is estimated amount. Therefore, the cost of 5 meter cloth is rupees 450. The estimated amount is 450. If the cost of 3 kg potato is rupees 63, Then what is the estimated nearest tens place of 1 kg potato? Let us find the solution. The cost of 3 kg potato is, actual value is rupees 63. So what is the estimated cost for 63? 60. Very good. So what is the cost of 1 kg potato? That we have to divide 63 divided by 3. You will get the answer rupees 21. So we have to divide, they have given 3 kg. So we have to get only 1 kg. So we have to divide it by 3. You will get the answer rupees 21. While the estimated value is 60 divided by 3, you will get the answer rupees 20. So the estimated cost of rupees 1 kg potato is 20 rupees. Here some of the example has been given. Let's give number to the English alphabet. A 1, B 2. Write the alphabet A to Z. You have to give the number 1, 2, 3 up to there is 26 letter. So start 1 from A. Z up to Z you will get 26. Let us try the first one. They have given the word cat. That means C is number 3. So 3 plus A is 1. 1 plus, let us see the T. T what they have given 20. So you have to add everything. 20 plus 1 21. 21 plus 3 24. For cat we get the answer 24. Then bat what they will be given? B is 2. 2 plus A is 1. T is plus 20. So if you add everything, 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 2 23. So then bat equal to 23. Now you know the difference between cat is 24, bat is 23. Like this they have given some example. I hope you all understood about the lesson numbers. Thank you students.